Okay, we're back again for our second attempt to make it up the Cape. Cat Pete, he's really a ham. He just doesn't want to admit it. But it's our second attempt to make it up to the Cape Fear Boatyard. They were working on the big power lines last time we came through, and supposedly it's supposed to be open today. So we'll find out when we actually get up there. You never know until you actually get there. But our hopes are high that it will be. We'll be able to complete our journey and get things taken care of that need to get taken care of. I'll try to keep track of what's going on through our journey. Probably not a whole lot, but I'll do what I can. Well, so far it's been nice. We got the sunrise over there. The moon just looks like a little speck up there right now. Hasn't set yet. We've already been greeted by a couple of dolphins, and we're just now we're leaving the intercoastal channel and entering the main shipping channel going into Wilmington on the Cape Fear River. We'll be heading north up to there, and let me check what got any kind of wind speed at all on this. Wind, we have true at 90 degrees, which is really good, at 6 knots. It's really not quite enough, 7 knots, enough for us to get much propulsion out of it, but hopefully it'll increase as we head into it, and we'll be able to maybe at least put up the foresail and get a little bit of extra lift from it. As we turn into it, I can feel the wind picking up right now. See, we're going up all the way up to 10 knots now. So we may be able to get something done anyway. All right. Oh, we're back where we were the other day, but we're guaranteed passage. They already came up, said we have a 15-minute window. They'll come and get us and guide us through, so we'll be able to get past the towers and be finally on the last leg of our journey. Hopefully. We shall see. Well, we made it. But it was pretty low. It was pretty low, but now we're finally on our way again. Gonna go up to the port of Wilmington, see the big cranes over there, going past them, and then go up under both bridges and on to the Cape Fear Boatyard. Well, we're coming into the port of Wilmington, just past one of the crane feeders over there. The main port, the ships and that is up that way. Really not that big of a port, but for this area it is. Just remember going through Jacksonville, Florida, up the St. Johns River, and you take this and multiply it by about 20, and that's what we were seeing. That's what I was seeing up there. I'll wait till we get closer to take any more video. And like I say, we're getting closer here. We're right up against it now, and these are mighty big. You can see those little container cars. Those are like the size of railway cars. There's just so many of them, and everything that operates them and moves them is just so big. It just dwarfs everything around them that we got. One set here, another set there, another set there, a couple more sets down there. We'll be going by some ships. We got two big ships being either loaded or unloaded. So these are massive creatures, giant imperial walkers. And of course, this is the port of Wilmington. You can see the little cranes. That's the big ones. That's the older cranes. They brought in all these 3 sets not that long ago, so they could handle bigger, heavier container ships and that. But even the little ones are pretty doggone big. And maybe we'll get to see them loading some stuff up here on these ships. I can see them moving some stuff. When we get closer, I'll see if I can get a better picture of it. One of the ships, this thing is big. But you can see how high it's right out of the water. It's probably pretty empty right now. But you can see even that one there, how much more empty that is. That water line way up there. So these are both pretty much empty right now. Otherwise they'd be sinking a lot farther down in the water than they are. You can see the bow bulb on this one is way up, where normally that would be right down at the surface of the water. Oh, I guess I need to give proof that Peter was here too. Yeah, Peter was here. Yeah, I got room, little room now. I won't use it all up. This is the tail end of the port here. Pretty soon we're going to go over the Cape Fear Bridge. We'll get a good picture of that as we go under. Well, we're getting closer to it now. You can't really tell this phone. I can't get this phone to zoom in more like the other one I was able to. So you're just going to have to put up with it as it is. But we're getting close. We got all the push boats and tug boats over that way next to it. The harbor tanks being filled. Those are all fuel tanks, I reckon. And the bridge is up there. We'll hit there. We'll hit it just a little bit. Okay, yeah. Got to get a picture of the mighty Captain P getting ready to navigate this very difficult bridge crossing. We only have inches to clear, so he's got to be so precise. One wrong move and we're done for. Da-da-dum. Okay, here we are. About to go under Cape Fear River. See all the push boats and tug boats over there. See downtown Wilmington just past the bridge. You can see the bridge right there. And let's see, we actually have 66 feet under this bridge, and his mast, I think you said it's only 50 foot. So we should have plenty of clearance. Should. One side, the other side. Here we go. What are we gonna hit? It looks like it. There's really, literally only like 13 feet clearance up there. 13 feet doesn't look like very much when it's 50 feet in the air. But we made it through. Another accomplishment, Pete. Good deal. And we come up over here where all the restaurants, bars, and all that is. Just a quick shot to the other side that we just came through. And that's Highway 74 going over that bridge. not familiar with all the names of all the bars and stuff we're gonna go by here. But some of you people watching may recognize some of these places. I just don't. And of course, as we get along up here a little bit farther, I'll show you. Over there's the battleship, North Carolina battleship. And its final resting area, which is definitely a big, nice museum to go look at. More of the downtown river area. Nice place to visit. They got places you can pull up for a little while. Not sure they're all public. But I think some of them are just up that way. And there's the Coast Guard ship Diligence that you hear a lot about going in and out. And of course, battleship North Carolina. That's a big, big boat. I guess I really can't call that a boat, that's a ship. They've been going in and fixing it up, getting it all set up. They did a really good job restoring it all back to where it was in its glory. U.S. Coast Guard Diligence can always patrol up and down this way. Got all the new construction going on down here. Wow. I didn't realize they're doing this much. They're doing a whole lot. Looks like this is where we veer off from the town of Wilmington and head up Cape Fear River this way, going toward the Cape Fear Boat Yard, where we're going to be hauling out at. Okay, we got a railway bridge to go through, but most of the time railway bridges are open all the time until they need them, then they'll close them down. So this one obviously is open, so we can pass through without any problem. Hopefully. Trestle on that side. And again, not a problem. We're clear with plenty of space. I think we only have one more bridge to go through, and then we'll be at our destination, I believe. Well, we're coming up on a haul out spot.
Well, they've got a couple of power things there, so I'm going to go up to there, I guess. So you be ready.
Is that right?
Well, we made it.
You want to stick around till they haul you?
What's that?
You want to stick around till they haul
We
you?
made it. We're on the dock. A little bit odd, a little different. We're here, and we'll hurry up and wait and see what we're going to do next. Well, there we go. We made it. Get that baby hauled out. Doesn't look too bad on the bottom, actually. A little bit of green growth. Not too bad at all. The Ava Grace is airborne. Gonna be up here 1 to 2 weeks. Get some work done. She's flying through the air now.